Hello, welcome to another hiking video. I'm Steve. We're at Sensiba Unit. This is north of Green Bay, right before where you actually took the same turn that you take to get to the new zoo is the same turn to get to Sensiba. But to the zoo, you turn left. This is you get to turn right. This is my first time here this year. I really like Sensiba, one of my favorite places. I was actually hoping to do a ministry video, but I'm not ready for one, so this is just hiking. It can be very bright here, so I put some lotions on, as well as bug spray. So I'm here with my wife. I'm wanting to check this place out, because there still might be spring flowers. I'm hoping to catch that. I haven't even got my fan on. It can get really hot at Sensiba in the sun. Right now it's nice and shaded, but once we get out by the water, it can get really hot quick. No shade there. Oh, there's people behind us. A little late, but I did, well, it isn't posted, but I did upload my Barkhausen video. You probably have seen it before you've seen this, hopefully. I have it uploaded, but I haven't published it yet, so I got to do that today when I get back. Again, this is a state-owned park. Board's a little wet. Boardwalk's a little wet in a few spots. We had a rain, I think, this afternoon, a very short one, but we had some dark clouds and lightning. The grass is really tall. Of course, it's late spring now. I think summer starts in a week or so, something like that. I missed a lot of spring because without my car. Some purple flowers there.
What is that thing up there? Camera? Yeah, that's it. Oh, okay. You guys evacuate when the geese attack you? The what? The geese. There's some really, what do you call it? Pissed off geese down here that won't get off the trail and they hiss at you. Really? Yeah, I went and got. That's why I got her. So it's gonna be fun. You'll see them. You know how they always go in the water. Well, they don't do that no more. They got their
Really? They got it integrated.
they got an attitude. Oh, that's a camera.
It is.
That's cool.
Oh wow.
I have a YouTube channel. I do videos for hiking and stuff.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Very cool.
Oh.
Oh,
I love these purple flowers.
yeah, they're pretty.
Glad we were able to catch some of these before they're gone. Oh, a whole bunch more here.
Very pretty flowers.
I forget what they're called.
Irises.
Yeah, maybe. Really pretty. I told her I want to get here before they go away. And then there'll be more flowers in the summer, but they're different kinds of flowers. Darla was here today. She traveled from North Carolina. No, yes, North Carolina. You met
Yeah, I know.
met her here. Hello, Darla. Hope you are well. Maybe we'll bump into you while you're here. Anyway, she saw the eagle here, so we might get to see him or her. An eagle. I've pointed out the nest. It's hard to see, but it's far away in the distance. You can see it. I think she was here like 5 hours ago or something like that.
During the day.
Yeah. I think these are raspberry flowers.
Raspberry flowers?
Blackberry.
Oh, you mean like the berries are gonna come?
Yep.
Oh.
Hello.
That's cool.
Yeah, there's not much shade here, but it's nice to see all the water here. I only plugged this in for like probably 10 minutes, but it was mostly charged up already. I was really surprised it was charged up and ready to go. some clouds here, but some clear areas too. Definitely darker over there. I hear something in there. Yeah, there's some flowers here.
White ones.
These are common water flowers. I forget what these are called. Oh, some more of these. Which might be irises. She's right. It might be iris, but I can't confirm that. I'm not a flower guy. Don't know. There's more here. Glad to see them though, because they're really lovely. What was that?
What are these called? Gladius?
Hmm?
There's a flower called gladius, so how do you say it?
I don't know what that
The
is.
gladius, similar to the iris.
Oh, yeah, sure enough, the dog chased them into the water. Sleepy already?
Yep.
You're headed back already, huh? Okay.
Wow, the water's high this year.
They all went in the water as long as they saw her.
Yeah.
They know they're chasing them away.
Yeah. Look at this video, how close they were to me just a little while ago.
Yeah.
The water is high. Wow, this last year it was really low.
Should they come back? Yes. They don't move, they're right next to us. Okay, what part of Russia? You must be different. You must be
Yeah, some young geese there. I'd say they're halfway grown. could get some more rain. If it comes this way, I don't know. Some dark clouds there. So definitely look rain clouds there. Very dusty this year. Lots of cobwebs. The eagle's nest is somewhere along here, on the other side of the water. While I'm here, I'm gonna grab a drink.
Wow, they're fighting.
I'll be back. All right. I just don't know if clouds are coming this way or not. Water bugs. Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way down there. I probably will skip the woods today. Can't tell if that is a turtle there with his head sticking up, or if it's just a branch. Don't know. See if I can see the eagle's nest. I know it's here somewhere. That might be it there, I'm not sure. That might be the eagle's nest there, that thick area there in the top. That might be it, but I'm not sure. Oh, I feel water. We may have to cut this short. It's nice over there, but here not so nice. Feeling water. I think I'm just going to turn around at the intersection here. Are you feeling the sprinkles?
A little bit.
Yeah. I worked today, but I got off early today. Did some barbecue chicken. Did the dishes and decided to come out here. Oh, there goes some yellow birds. You see those yellow birds? Right there, see them?
Yeah. The little one. Is there a hummingbird?
I don't know what kind of bird it is.
Very little, very tiny, small.
It was a very small bird. I've seen them here before, but not often.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a spin here and head back. That's Lake Michigan there, the Bay of Green Bay. So we're on the edge of this rainstorm. I don't think it's coming this way though, but we're still on the edge of it. That's why I'm feeling some rain. A short hike here, but it's nice coming out here. If you enjoy this hike, if you like this video, please hit like, folks. We'll definitely come back in this place more. I try to hit this place at least 3 times during the summer. I like to hit it more often, but it can be so hot. I was saying to myself, the road's been pretty clear, but this stretch here, lots of junk from the geese. Gotta watch where I step here. Yeah, I still think that that's a turtle there. On this angle, it looks like a turtle to me.
It's not moving.
Hmm?
It's not moving.
No, they can sit still.
Oh, yeah, on top?
Yes.
Yes, I think it is. You're right. I see it's moving its tail.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
I saw it earlier and I
Yep.
pointed the camera to it. So she agrees.
Yep.
That's a turtle.
There's a turtle.
Well, it moved now.
Move the tail. Did you see that?
Now that time it did move the tail, so we know
Yeah,
for
I saw
certain
that.
now.
There it is. You can see it now better.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's a turtle.
See them have, some of them have red and others have yellow. Oh, there's a duck. Oh, he's gone into the woods. Oh, landed over there. Road's a bit clean here. Nice and loud for the camera. Behind us. Didn't see any egrets today. Unless that's one there. Don't know if that's an egret or just a stick that's white there. Yeah, I think it's just a stick. Oh. Hello. Yeah, I do think the clouds are coming this way.
The what?
The clouds.
Yeah.
But they're very slow.
Yeah, because it was all clear not long ago.
Yeah, yeah.
It was all blue sky. Now it's...
Nice little hike. I would come in here. It's just going to be so much hotter later this summer.
That's pretty.
You got to charge your camera so when you go with me you can...
I know, I keep forgetting it. I better do it.
Weekend's coming. You
I
better...
just want to see what it's going to look like.
Weekend is coming. Start charging.
Yep.
I don't know how hard it is to see that. It's pretty dark. I'm going to brighten it up a little bit since it's getting dark. Oh, there was lightning there. Did you see that?
No.
Over there.
Okay. Oh, it's coming this way.
Slowly.
Slowly. wasn't
I don't.
hear it.
Yeah. I've only seen. I think this is only the third bike I've seen here, but after seeing him twice, I looked at the sign another time. It does definitely says it.
Just in time.
Oops, sorry.
Almost.
Well, once we finish the boardwalk, we'll turn this off. So I'll go ahead and do my end of video spiel. If you like this video, please like, and you're welcome to subscribe. But even though I have over 200 hiking videos, not the main focus of on my channel, and if you mind subscribing and just watching whatever you want, that's fine. If you want to only see hiking videos, I have good news for you. You don't have to dig through my channel if you just want the hiking videos. At the very end of my video, just like there was an intro with music after the video ends, I'll have an outro with music, and you will see at the very end of the video, after the music, there will be boxes in the corners of the screen. Those are YouTube playlists. Those are the ones I made. The one you can see in this corner, that's what we call Hiking in Northeast Wisconsin. Click on that box, open up that page, bookmark that page, save that page. Then in the future, if you want to see if I have any new videos, open up the bookmark, open up that saved page. 90% of the time, if you scroll to the bottom, that's where you're going to find my new videos. But every once in a while, I'll put a nice one at the top, because sometimes YouTube will promote just the channel or just the playlist, and I like to put that attracting people to see it with a nice video on the top. On this side of the corner, I have another playlist. It'll be my best hiking videos. So if you want to see the best ones, make it easier for you. If you want to see the better ones, click on that box, open up that page, bookmark that page, and you can check that out. This will be all of them. This will be the best of. On the bottom of the corner screen, I think over here, not sure, it could be either one. I forget which one it is on the bottom. This one might be subscribe, and on this one it might be a different playlist where I take up my tripod, I set it up, and I record beautiful sceneries, waterfalls, winter scenes, various things like that. And that is like a group of videos that'll last 2 to 7 minutes long. That's usually how long I make it. And I collect maybe like 5, 6, 7 of them in one set of videos. One video with a whole bunch of them in different settings. So you might want to subscribe to that if you want to see it, or just watch it and see if you like it, and then subscribe later if you want. So there's ways how you can subscribe to my channel or bookmark my playlists if you want to find them and dig through my channel rather than subscribing and finding random content or hoping a new one's out. That's the best way to find my videos, to check to see if I have new videos for hiking. Well, that's it, folks. I'm almost done with this boardwalk, so we're going to shut this down. And maybe you can come out and check out these trails I'm hiking if you're in Northeast Wisconsin. Maybe I'll see you someday. If you do see me, say hi, introduce yourself, and we can talk a little bit. Hope you enjoy these hikes, whether with or without me, or just the videos as well. Have a good day. I enjoy this hike. I love coming out here. Be a better day another time. We shortened it up today. Have a good day. Bye-bye. that's it, folks. Trail's going to end here, the boardwalk. Have a good day. Bye-bye.